Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchandise 1.1. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on Medill Pearson Sandwich Minter. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel chapter 5 Cumulative merchandise. I am 1 per 1. I will guide you through this video step by step. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on next instruction file. First, I will select this complete instruction file. Then I will increase the font size of this file for a proper view in my video. Okay. Now the question number 1 of this assignment is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel chapter 5 cumulative merchandise. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, you can see this my file. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 2. The question number 2 of this assignment is that, okay, first you can see this my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. This is question number 2. Question number 2 is that you first task is to sort the data set on April worksheet. Ensure the April worksheet is active. Sort the data by week in alphabetical order and further sorted by category in alphabetical order. Basically, this question we will sort the data. Okay. Ensure the April worksheet is active. Now, sort the data by week in alphabetical order and further sorted by category in alphabetical order. We will click on the week and simply we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter. Click on custom sort. We will have to add a first level is week in alphabetical order A to Z. Now we will have to add a second level. The second level is further sorted by category in alphabetical order. So add second level is category. Category is alphabetical order. Simply click on OK. The data will be sorted. Simply we will click on OK. Okay, now we will move on next question number 3. The question number 3 of this assignment is that you want to focus on apparel sales within 1 month. You will insert subtotal row to display total sales by week 1 and 2 under categories. Use the use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by week to calculate the total for QTY sold and gross revenue. Add a second subtotal without removing first subtotal by category to calculate the totals for QTY sold and gross revenue. Basically, this question we will use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by week to calculate the total for QTY sold and gross revenue. Okay, we will move our Excel workbook. Go to the data tab in the For cost group, click on outline button, click on subtotal. Okay, we will select this week, achieved change in week, and QT by sold, QT by sold, and gross revenue. And gross revenue, click on OK button. Now add a second subtotal without. Now we will have to add a second subtotal for QT by sold and gross revenue category to calculate the subtotal by category. To we will again go to data tab in the for cost group, click on subtotal button. We will select second subtotal is category. Okay. Now we will uncheck this box, replace current subtotal, click on OK button. This is good now. Second subtotal is done. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. To focus on the gross revenue, you will apply an outline and collapse column. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above gross revenue. Okay. Basically, this question we will create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above gross revenue. Okay, the first point is that create an automatic outline. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on the outline button, click on groups and click on auto outline button. Click on OK. The second point of question 4 is that collapse the outline above gross revenue. Okay. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. In question number 5, next you want to create a blank pivot table and then name it. Display the QTR1 worksheet and create blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Do not add data to the data model. Name the pivot table QTR1 sales. Change the name of worksheet to sales pivot table. Okay. The first point of this question is that display the QTR1 worksheet. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will display QTR1 worksheet. Now create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. We will have to create a blank pivot table. Go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on pivot table and then we will create a blank pivot table on a new sheet. Do not add data to the data models. Do not. The name of the pivot table QTR1 says we will have to assign a name of pivot table. Click on the pivot table, go to the pivot table analyze tab. In the pivot tables group, click on the pivot table name box and then we will assign a name QTR1 sales on this pivot table. Now change the name of the worksheet to sales pivot table. Now we will have to assign a name of worksheet to sales pivot table. Right click on this sheet 1 tab, click on rename button and then we will assign a name sales pivot table. Okay, now we will move on. Next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. The pivot table should determine total number of items sold and the total gross revenue by category for this quarter. Place the category field in rows. Place the gross revenue and QTY sold field as values. The first point of this question is that place the category field in rows. Okay, we will open pivot table fields pane and then place the category field in rows. The second point is that place the gross revenue and QTY sold field as value. Place the gross revenue and QTY sold field as value. Gross revenue and QTY sold field and QTY sold field as values. Okay. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions so far. You will format the values in the pivot table to more professional and change the custom name that display a column heading. Okay, modify the sum of gross revenue field setting the custom name total gross revenue and apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay, modify the sum of gross revenue field. with the custom name total gross revenue. We will copy this custom name. Now we will modify the sum of gross revenue field. We will right click on this, click on value field setting button. Okay, we will simply type your custom name total gross revenue. Okay, and apply a counting number format with 0 decimal places. Go to the number format. We will select a counting number format, 0 decimal places. Simply click on OK button. Again OK button. This is good now. This question is done now. Now we will move on question number 8. The question number 8 of this assignment is that modify the sum of QT was sold feed with the custom name total QT was sold. Okay. With the custom name total QT was sold, apply number format with 0 decimal places and select the use 1000 separator. Okay. Modify the sum of QT was sold feed with the custom name total QT was sold. Okay. Sum of QT was sold. Right click on this, click on value field setting. Now we'll set type your custom name. Simply copy and paste your custom name total QT was sold and apply the number format with 0 decimal places, and then we will go to the number format. We will select number format with 0 decimal places and select the use 1000 separator option, and select the use 1000 separator option. Use 1000 separator checkbox, click on OK button. Then this question is done now. You can see I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 9. The question number 9 is that now you want to insert a timeline so that you can filter the pivot table by month. Insert a timeline for the month field. Insert a timeline for the month field. Click or select March to filter the pivot table to display only March data. Cut the timeline and paste it in cell A9. Set the timeline width to 3.3 inches. The first point is that insert a timeline for March field, month field. We will go to the insert tab. In the filters group, click on timeline button. We will click on month checkbox. Click on OK button. Now click or select March to filter the pivot table to display only March data. Okay. Okay. Click or select to filter only March data. Okay, one second. Cut the timeline and paste into cell A9. Simply we will cut this timeline. Go to the home tab in the clipboard group. Click on cut button and paste into cell A9. Okay. The last part of this question is that set the timeline width to 3.3 inches. We will click on timeline. We will set the width of timeline 3.3 inches. Okay, this question is done now. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 10. You want to create a pivot chart to display percentage in a pie chart. Insert a pivot chart. Insert a pivot chart. Pie chart that depicts the categories and gross revenue. Cut the chart and paste into cell D1. Basically, in this question, we will insert a pivot chart, pie chart that depicts the category and gross revenue. Okay, we will go to the pivot table and analyze button and the pivot chart group. We will select pie chart, pivot chart, pie chart. We will click on OK button. Pivot chart, pie chart will be inserted. Now cut the chart and paste it in cell D1. Simply we will cut this chart. Go to the home tab in the clipboard group. We will click on cut button and paste into cell D1. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 11. I have done 10 questions so far. Now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 11. Please focus on my PC screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Question number 11 is that next you want to remove the legend and display data labels. Remove the legend display data label in the best fit position with only the category name and percentage labels. Basically this question, first we will remove the legend. We will go to the chart element. Click on chart element, simply uncheck this legend box. Legend will be removed. Now display data label in the best fit position. Okay, we will go to chart element, go to data label, best fit position. Now we will go to the more option and then we will show percentage and category name and then okay, this is good now. I have done this question and remove the value and close the task pane. Now we will move on the next. You can see I have done 11 question of this assignment in my video. The total question of this assignment is 24. It's mean I have done 60 to 70% of this assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Economics, Web Development and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first ad of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.